Hi, traders. Very good morning from TradeWest, 23rd March, 9:30. Looking for a sell side entry here in 36,600 PE. Fantastic 36,800 rejection and as well as reversal closing below R2. I have made an entry in 36,600 PE. Let the hammer high be the stop loss. And we'll have just above R1 be the target here. Fantastic gap here. Looking for a gap to be played. Outside gap. $36,600 PE at 267. Beautiful. Reversal here. Closing below 36,700 and as well as R2 with the inverted hammer. Very good upper wick in this candle. Okay, fantastic. Also the previous R2 on the way. Yesterday R2. Has set the stop loss at 230. Fantastic inverted hammer here. Still 2 more minutes. RSI had been overbought. Beautiful. Fantastic. The rejection is being shown by the upper wick as well. And the resistance being honored, R2. As well as the gap and the EMA 21 being far away. So the RSI is also in the oversold, overbought positions. Okay, almost at the end of this candle now. Closing below 36,700, fantastic. Forming consecutive red candles, bearish. Unless it delays that getting into target, there is no point looking at the price, checking the price again and again. That is one common mistake we as traders do, looking at the PNL and trading, and as well as looking at the options. Once the options are chosen, we just wait for the indexes. Sometimes looking at the options, you will get to know early where the price, even before the index, the option chart will move, but we are not going to rely on quick gains, but even we exit at the, not at the peak of the option prices, that's okay. But we are being with the index chart, like our decisions are purely based upon index and not based upon, we have to have the highest price, we have to have the biggest win. That is not the uh, purpose here. Okay, this is also having a great big upper wick. Beautiful. More of 1:1 risk reward here, 1:1 plus risk reward here. Very good upper wick. Today being the Wednesday, still the premiums are 267. So just out of the so volatility is high in the market as well as, which we really like. We get the trades both sides, like sell side as well as buy side. We are not fixed to our views on the market that okay, it would go buy side or bullish or bearish. No. Some of you asked to share some of the trades that I made losses, so I'll share that as well. And whether it's a profit or loss, not about the result oriented, but the process oriented. being the same way, like, you spend the rest of the days the same way. How if you made profit also, if you made a loss also, it doesn't have an influence on how your day goes, or the next trade, or how much capital or number of lots you are using. So the trade results are not affecting you. Fantastic. Fantastic inverted hammer here, indicating further down. So not there, not having a big moment anywhere. Still not crossed today's R2. Yesterday R2 or today's 950 low. But still the trading under 36,700, which is good. Many of you have been spending a lot of time looking at the charts, trying to wait for ideal condition to trade, which is never going to come. If you have learned completely, just thorough in technical analysis, start following the process. If you are not learned at the master strategy and as well as advanced uh, like conviction trading, so invest your time and money towards that, so that you are skilled to trade completely. Without learning, you are still in the same zone. Should cross the 30-minute low and entering the gap area. Okay, very good. 36,600, and as well as yesterday R2 on the way before it reaches the R2 today. Fantastic. Reached the yesterday 36,600 as well as R2 from yesterday. And this is also on the 15 minutes breakout. The more you are, the more your eyes and brain are trained with technicals, you will be able to find more and more opportunities to follow the technicals and execute your trades. And so these wicks above are telling that, like, the more it is bearish. So the lesser the wicks. 36,500 also on the way next. Beautiful. Will not wait till EMA 21. So this is a beautiful 15 minutes breakout, and as well as see how when it entered the zone, entered the gap, it just started coming down with velocity. Fantastic covering the gap. Should touch 36,500 at least in this candle. Last 30 seconds. making a small wick, but still beautiful close below 36,600 and fantastic close. We should get our target in this candle. It is clear on at least till R2, R1, or till EMA 21, whichever, if 21 reaches above this. Okay, great. $36,500, 25 should at least reach 36,500 first. And gaps are great opportunity, as you are seeing. They are like, huge opportunities, and reversal trading and conviction trading is just above the R1. Beautiful. Making a wick below and turning into a green candle now. And even if it hits the stop loss, nothing to be changed, nothing to be, not the strategy, not the way we trade, or not coming into any conclusion as well that, like, okay, I should not have entered. No. There is nothing to, no lessons learned after this. Like, even if it goes and hits the stop loss, because as I entered, that 37 rupees is already given. So so when I entered this trade, the 37 rupees, I'm agreed to lose the max of 37 rupees if at all. Okay, great. Making a upper wick and coming down now. Should at least come till 36,440 or 36,484. Last minute, right now, very good. So the 36,500 is not yet reached. So this having a very big wick below and forming a Marubozu, a bullish Marubozu. almost at the end of the candle. Okay. Still not touched the EMA 21, so we'll wait. Okay. Still at the levels where we entered, slightly below. And having almost gotten the profit and losing out on everything and coming back to negative PNL. Many traders run away here. But if it is going towards stop loss, take the stop loss thoroughly because you are in a trade. It's not like I'm making a decision in between. I'm changing my decisions in between unless it is taking too long to give you a target in index and the option price you are on Thursday and it is depreciating fast. Okay, beautiful per wick. So only then you can modify the targets, take a bigger targets if needed, extend your targets. But currently we are okay. Beautiful upper wick. Okay, fantastic. Very good. Wow. Inverted hammer, one more. Almost 36, below 36,600 now, and previous R2. Great. Last 20 seconds of this candle. If it closes this without a or negligible lower wick, then fantastic. Okay, great. Rejection candle as well. A lot of sellers here. Sellers are dominating. Making a small wick now. Making a wick below. Yet to reach 36,500. And one of the ways not to trade is trading with confidence. So you don't need confidence to trade. Beautiful. Great. 500 levels, 507. Okay, touch 500 now. Okay, so we'll exit here.